project which requires me to come to IKEA. I am doing a little makeover in this little one's room. I'm doing her closet, and I'm going to put the exact pack system that's in my closet in her closet. So I only need two boxes because her closet is like extremely small. So I have the little one here. Say hi, man. She's gonna be so cranky. So I'm just gonna run in here and get the stuff, get what I need, and rush back and try to get all of this done this afternoon. So hi guys.
Can you get anything off?
Babe, can we get the thing? Okay, I gotta fix this first.
What's your man?
What's up, baby? Okay. All right. Okay, so we got everything, and Rob I was gonna get her inserts later, but her dad said to just go ahead and get everything since we made it so far out here. So, ready, man? So, let's go build a closet. So we have all the boxes. Like, this is how we're riding home. Madison's here. Dustin is in that seat back there. Don't worry, she's in a seatbelt. And we got everything thanks to her daddy. He went ahead and just got everything because I was gonna do it in two separate transactions and just come back for the drawers because she has a ton of drawer storage in her room already, so she doesn't really need it, but she does need it because her closet is like busting at the seam. So now we're going to be able to organize every single thing in her room, and then after that it's going to be her bed, because she's getting a full bed. She's graduating from a twin to a full because Madison sleeps with her. So anyways, I will see you guys at home once we put these together. That should be fun. Good morning, guys. So it's installation day for the little one's closet. I'm so excited. I was gonna do it last night, but then I got home and I was like, it wasn't gonna happen last night. So I'm excited for her closet. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the before. And yes, this is gonna be an exciting one. Yay! Okay, so it's really dark right now. It's kind of cloudy outside, even though I opened the window, but this is not the greatest lighting. I need light. So this is what her closet looks like right now. Okay, so we got Daddy Roberto over here, taking out the old shelves out of her closet. Daddy Roberto, is it hard?
Not really.
No? Okay, guys. So we got this. I gotta patch that, and then I have all the boxes here. Luckily, I only have to build 2 boxes, and then all the drawers are over there. That fell off of our mirror, the frame. It fell off. I think from the humidity, but we're gonna redo the bathroom, so I'm not even worried about it. But I gotta make these boxes, so.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah. and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All night long. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale, dreaming about summer nights with you. Sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah. And you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
I left off like where I got frustrated with the closet, so I kind of like gave up that day when I was doing the whole recording thing, and I was like, I gave up because I got frustrated, and then I stopped recording because I had to go back to IKEA that day when I was doing the closet, and I had to return some stuff and then get some other stuff, and IKEA is like nowhere near here. It's nowhere near here. Baby girl got a new lamp. She got a new bed. She got new everything. I ordered her new beddies because she's getting a full bed, and her beddies that she has right now is for a twin, and her twin bed is going to Madison, including the headboard and everything is going to Madison's room. So I went ahead and ordered her new beddies, which was even more expensive than the twin. Twins were a little cheaper. The other one was like $50 more, and I was like, oh. But I'm excited to redo her room. I have a whole list of everything that's coming in here, and then I'm gonna do wall treatment on her wall and paint and all that, so it should be fun. But I just wanted to get her closet. I wanted to get her closet done, and we figured it out. I was a little ambitious because I wanted to put 2 boxes in there, because I wanted the space to function for her. But I was a little ambitious. I measured and it was 48 exactly, and I wanted to put a 29 box and also a 19 box in there, and the space, the door opening, it was like really pushing it. But turned out that the wall is not exactly 48 from wall to wall. It's 48 down at the bottom, and at the top it just gets smaller and smaller. So I had to return the 29. I had to return all the drawers and all of that, and just it was a mess. It was a mess, but needless to say, I figured it out. Hubby and I figured it out, and we just love how the closet turned out. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys the closet. Okay, so we took the bifold door off of her closet. We're going to rip these thing down and put chunkier trim on here. There's going to be a barn door that goes on her closet, and it's going to slide this way. Originally I wanted to put shelving here to put books and stuff on it, but this is going to be where her barn door slides over. And then I kept the 19. Originally, the 19 was supposed to go all the way in the corner and made space for the 29 with pull-out drawers all coming this way. But it didn't work out that way. The 29 did not fit, was not going to fit. So then I had to rock my brain and was like, okay, what am I going to do? She really likes the pack system that's in my closet, and I really wanted to give her something that resembles mommy's. And she's a big girl now. She's growing up. She just turned 12. Next year she will be a teenager, and I wanted the space to grow with her. So I gave her the 19. These are her American dolls. She doesn't play with American dolls anymore. These are just a quarter of what she owns. Her dad is supposed to put some shelves up here so she can store the rest of her American Girl dolls that she's keeping. She says she's going to keep them forever, even though she doesn't play with them. anymore, and she gave her sister, her little sister Madison, she gave her some, and she decided to keep, I think, 13 for herself. So this is the 19 box, and I gave her one fancy drawer, like she likes to call it, like mommy, and she just have all her some of her jeans rolled up on the top. This has to the time it will get, you know. And then I gave her these pull out ones because my intentions were for her to store shoes in here, that way she could see what's in there, but she decided she wanted to put her jackets and stuff, like her bulkier jackets and sweater in these, and she decided to put shoes down here, and that works out. So that's that. She wanted a pants pull out in here as well. I'm like, honey child, it's not gonna happen. And then I put a rod in here for all of her uniform shirts, and this is where she keeps all of her uniform shirts. Over here she has long short sleeves, and then she has long sleeve and dresses on the bottom. And then on back here she keeps some of her summer shoes, like stuff. We have a system downstairs that we keep all of our shoes that we're wearing in season downstairs, so she doesn't really have a ton of shoes like laying all over the place, because before this was just cluttered. There was just a lot of stuff on the floor, and I really didn't like that. I just wanted this to function and for the clutter to just, because I don't like when I walk, we have to put on the baseboards. We haven't put the baseboards back on. We had to pull them out to get this flush against the wall. And I'm gonna caulk this, and just to make it look a little more built in, hubby's gonna screw it to the wall. It's anchored all the way in the back to the wall, but I want it to be pushed up and look a little built in, like it was custom. These rods right here, these are the IKEA rods that comes with this. So we just got it, and hubby cut the rod down, and then he anchored the holders, one to the wall and one to this, so that we could create extra hanging space in here for her. And it's not even really tight. She can reach in and get, and then he's gonna put a shelf up here, like I said. And then back here I just put some hooks. These hooks right here I had downstairs. I just had my husband put the hooks on the wall so that she can utilize this space right here to put like her book bags and extra bags and her traveling stuff. So it functions for her. And then later on I want to go to IKEA, not IKEA, Walmart, and get big girl hangers for her, because these are IKEA children's hanger, and she's had these since she was a baby. And so now it's time to switch out to bigger hangers, because her clothes are much bigger. So that's the next project in here. But overall, I love the way how this turned out, and I think it's amazing, and it's such a nice upgrade for her, turning into a little woman, and for her to have a beautiful space for her to grow up in. So hopefully you guys can find some inspiration from this. It was kind of hard to find closets this size that was like organized and could function. It was hard. I see a lot of walk-in closet and stuff like that. The only closet in our home that is walk-in is my closet, and all of them is like this size or smaller. So it was kind of hard to find closets that were like could give me inspiration. I basically had to wing it, and you see I made a mess of it, but I love the way that it turned out, and I love the fact that she has a functioning space. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Come back for her room makeover. When I do her room makeover, it's long overdue. We've been here 2 years, and she's been very patient with me to get to her room, and I am excited to transform her room and upgrade her from a twin to a full. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.